Ever catch yourself yawning and wonder why? It's not just about being tired. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Scientists think yawning might actually be your brain's way of cooling down. Imagine your brain as a computer. When it's working hard, it heats up. Yawning could be like hitting the refresh button, bringing in cool air to chill things out. And get this, yawning is contagious. When you see someone else do it, your brain might think, hey, maybe I need to cool down too. So next time you yawn, remember, it's not just boredom. It's your incredible brain taking care of itself. What do you think? Have you noticed yawning spreading through a room? Share your yawn stories, and let's unravel this mystery together.